Welcome, here I've got Alcatel 3X 2020 and I'm gonna show you how to use the camera pro mode at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to more to the left. So here we have access to other modes of this camera. Here we have to pick the manual mode, so the pro mode is on the manual here. And here we are. This mode gives us possibilities to choose some shooting parameters by ourselves. This is useful when we want to learn photographic skills or making experiments with photography. So let me start with this settings bar. Let's go from the right. The first one button here is the focus, so we can change the autofocus to the manual focus. By using this slider, we can do it like that, and this is how to use this. And as you can see, there is no problem to go back to auto settings, because at the beginning and also at the end of the slider we have the auto settings. So let me stay on auto now, and let's move to the next one button. Here we have the white balance, so we can control the temperature of our picture in Kelvin degrees. As you can see, by using this slider, from the left we can make our photo more cold, by going to the right we can make it more warm. As you can see, this is how to change this, and also at the beginning and at the end of this slider we have the auto settings, so there's no problem to go back. Now let's move to the next one button. Here we have the exposure compensation, so we can manage the light of the picture. By using this slider we can make our picture more dark, which is now, as you can see, and by going to the right we can make it more bright. And also we have the auto settings here at the end and at the beginning. So let's stay on this. Now let's move to the next one button. Here we have the shutter speed, so we can manage the time of taking photo. We can pick from 1/8,000 of seconds, so this is really short time of taking photo, and this should be better to objects that are in move, for example, to frozen them. By going to the right on this slider we can make our time much longer, to the 1/4 seconds, so this is really long time of taking photo, and this should be better to objects that are stable. And of course we can easily go back to the auto settings at the beginning or at the end of the slider, so let's stay on this now. Let's move to the next one button, the last one here, the ISO. Here we can control the camera's sensitivity to light, and we can make it less sensitive from 100. By going to the right we can make it more sensitive to 3 and 2000, so this is really wide spectrum. And of course at the beginning and also at the end we have the auto settings, so this is really cool. And this is how it works. Now let me use these settings to take a picture. So for example, let me stay on 200 ISO, the shutter speed maybe here. As you can see, the exposure compensation for some reasons is locked when we use the ISO and the shutter speed at the same time, so remember about this. So let me stay maybe here on the shutter speed to make brighter my picture, and the white balance, maybe the cold one, and the focusing on the auto. To see my picture we have to go here to the left corner at the bottom to this button, so we get quick access to the gallery, and this is how it looked like. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.